Today let's learn how you can see if someone has screenshot your Instagram story. So let's get right into the video. The very first step is to open your application Instagram. So first of all, let's upload one story. For now, let's add this picture to my story. Tap on your story at the bottom. Once the story is uploaded, now let's go back and screenshot this story from my another account. Tap on story. Let's screenshot this. Once you have taken the screenshot, now go back and head over to your previous account. So let's check if there is any notification of someone screenshotting my story. Here you can see that there is no any notification. Let's go back and head over to your story. So here you can only see the people who have viewed your story. One thing you need to know that there is no any option or the feature where you can see if someone has screenshot your Instagram story. So all you can do is wait for the Instagram to update this feature. So this is it for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to see if someone has screenshot your Instagram story. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.